Everyone has met this person. They speak like they know everything, but they actually know very little. And the strange part, they are the most confident in the room. Why does this happen? Why do some people think they're smart when they're not? Here's the truth. When you know very little about something, your brain tricks you. You think, this is easy, I understand it. But in reality, you only see the surface. You don't even realize how much you don't know. This creates a dangerous loop. You feel confident, so you stop learning. You stop asking questions. You stop listening to others. And because of that, you stay stuck. Confidence without knowledge is a trap. Now look at truly smart people. They doubt themselves. They ask questions. They say, I might be wrong. Why? Because the more you learn, the more you realize how complex things really are. So what's the solution? Stay curious. Admit when you don't know something. Learn step by step. Ask better questions. Real intelligence isn't loud. It's quiet and always growing. Remember this. The dumbest people think they know everything. The smartest people know they don't. So next time you feel 100% sure, pause. Because growth begins the moment you question yourself. Thanks for watching. This is Actually Productive, where discipline beats motivation and consistency builds real results. Subscribe if you're ready to improve quietly. See you in the next one.